How to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. This tutorial will guide you through the process of withdrawing money from Pocket Option to Binance. This step-by-step guide is essential for anyone looking to transfer their earnings from Pocket Option to their Binance account, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction. Before initiating the withdrawal, ensure that both your Pocket Option and Binance accounts are set up and verified. Log into your Pocket Option account. Ensure your account is fully verified to avoid any withdrawal issues. Sign in to your Binance account. Complete any necessary identity verification processes. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the steps to initiate a withdrawal from Pocket Option. Click on the Wallet or Funds tab on your Pocket Option dashboard. Select Withdraw. Select the method that allows the transfer to Binance like cryptocurrency or bank transfer. For crypto, choose a coin supported by both platforms like USDT. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter your Binance wallet address carefully to avoid mistakes. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once the funds are received in your Binance account, you can proceed with Login to Binance. Go to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet to see if the funds have arrived. Ensure the amount matches what was withdrawn from Pocket Option. Once funds are confirmed, you can begin trading or investing as desired on Binance. Withdrawing money from Pocket Option to Binance can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Always double-check your wallet addresses and ensure that your accounts are fully verified to avoid any issues. Once your funds are successfully transferred, you can start trading on Binance. If you encounter any issues, consult the support sections of both platforms for assistance.